Good morning and welcome to Somatic-Based Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mark Gomez. Today, the practice we'll be doing will be a sounding practice. So there's no need to look at the screen. As long as you can hear the sound of my voice, you'll be fine. Now, this practice can be done in any position that feels right to you. You can do it lying down, sitting, standing, kneeling, squatting, on all fours. Whatever feels right to you. I'm going to suggest that you try it lying down today. Now, if you need to turn out the lights or put the shades down to create a more soothing environment, then go ahead and do that. And eventually finding a place in the room where you can lie down on your back comfortably. Now, usually we don't use props for these practices, but if you need to put a pillow behind the back of your head or a cushion under your knees to take the pressure off your lower back, please feel free to do that. The sound we'll be playing with today will be the hum sound. Phonetically, it's like an HUM or an HM. It's similar to the sound you make when you eat something yummy. Now, it's important that you find your hum sound. You find a way of doing the hum sound that feels right to you, that feels best to you. So you may play around with the hum sound and see if you can find the hum sound that feels best to you. Maybe the right pitch, or the right tone, or the right pace, or the right length. Whatever feels right to you. Generally, we try to extend the sound to make it really long. But the important thing is that you find the sound and do the sound in whichever way feels best to you, whichever way resonates best with you. Whichever hum sound you have more of an affinity for, whichever hum sound feels best to you. Now, generally what we do is you take a deep breath in and then you make the sound. And then you repeat that process as many times as feels right to you. If just doing it once feels right to you, then just do it once. And so we'll do another one together if you like, or if you're going at your own pace, that's fine too. Take a deep breath in, and then make the hum sound. Now you can just continue doing it that way and continue with that practice, whatever feels right to you. But next, if you feel ready, if it feels right to you, I'd like you to practice giving the hum sound direction. Sort of aiming the hum sound to a specific area within your body and trying to use the hum sound to vibrate that area. And just doing the best you can, whatever that is. So You can pick any area of the body to play around with, any area of the body to direct that sound towards. But I suggest you try beginning with the area of the belly button. So when you feel ready, take a deep breath in. Begin making the hum sound and direct the hum sound down towards the belly button, trying to vibrate that area of the body. So just doing your best, whatever that is, to give the hum sound direction and directing the hum sound to a specific area of the body. Whatever feels right to you. Again, I suggest you begin with the area of the belly button. So we'll do this a few more times. Take a deep breath in. And then make the hum sound, directing the hum sound to the area of the belly button and trying to use the hum sound to vibrate that area of the body. And so we'll do this for a few more breaths or a few more sounds. Following what feels comfortable, following what feels right to you. And practice feeling and seeing into the area that you're directing the hum sound towards, using your mind's eye. Now you can continue with this process for as long as you like, whatever feels right to you. And you can end the practice however you like. But one thing you can try when you feel ready is continuing to allow your feeling, attention, your concentration to rest with the area of the belly button or the area you were directing the sound towards. As you very slowly open the eyes. So doing your best to stay with the sensations within the body in relationship to the sounding as you very slowly open the eyes. Thank you for joining us. Please join again next time.